Welcome everyone, it's Shari Carroll for SimonsSaysStamp.com, and I'm creating a gift card tag pocket using the Tim Holtz Modern Festive set of dies. I have already cut all of my dies out using some color cardstock in soft muted tones for this tag. I'm going to start off and add some Distress Rock Candy glitter to some of these pieces. So these greens that I actually have cut in light blues, I'll be doing some brayering with collage medium over top by spreading a little bit of the collage medium right onto my glass mat, and then I can use a brayer and roll over the top to spread this out nice and thin and to get an even coating onto the brayer. Once I have my collage medium on the brayer, I can roll right over the greens to create a nice layer of glue that will hold the glitter. Once I have my piece covered, I can dip this right into that jar of the Distress Rock Candy glitter and push it down to make sure that I have glitter all over the piece. Next, I've die cut a large tag from the Tim Holtz frame tags from Sizzix, and I've also folded this over 1 inch to create a pocket on the back. I'm adding some tape to the front, and I'll be adding some crackle paste onto the top. To add the crackle paste, I'm just using the palette knife and I'm just randomly spreading some out. And I want to make sure I get some nice thick areas so that it will have a nice deep crackle. I've die cut an additional tag and I've trimmed that off so it'll fit inside the pocket area. And I'm using the new Tim Holtz Christmas Element stencils, and I've chosen December 25th. And I'll be using Fired Brick Distress ink and also a small Simon Says Stamp blending brush. I'm also using the very low tack tape from Simon Says Stamp to block out some of the areas, especially the bottom of the stencil and also the numbers. Once I had December stenciled, I moved the stencil and now I'm adding 25 just below. Now that the crackle paste is dry and my stenciling is done, I'm using Simon Says Stamp Craft Tacky Glue, and I'm adding glue all the way to the back, and I'm making sure that I get all in those corners. And then I can smooth this out a bit with my finger and place my top piece right on top, and making sure that I have that well aligned, I can press that down and let it sit to dry. I've assembled the poinsettia flower, but I decided that I wanted to add some glitter to the top, so I've just put some glue down onto the grip mat, and I'll be using a small paintbrush, and I can just paint on the glue in the areas that I want to add the rock candy glitter. And once I have those areas covered, I can use a coffee filter and sprinkle on my distress glitter and then tap off the excess. On some of the pieces, I can highlight by painting on the glue and then pressing them into the jar of rock candy glitter to cover them and tap off the excess. To create the pocket, I'm using the Simon Says Stamp 1/8 inch red tape, and I've put this on each side. Then removed the backing and folded up the flap to create a pocket for the gift card. For the assembly, I'm using some of the Simon Says Stamp Craft Tacky Glue, especially on the pieces that are really skinny, and I'll be placing these onto the tag just flat, and then some of them I'll be adding some dimensional tape. So I've kind of dry fit these, and I also took a picture with my phone, and I'm placing them back in my desired arrangement. Once I had a few pieces in place, I started tucking in some of the smaller elements and made sure that they had the right direction that I wanted. I used a little bit of foam tape for my poinsettia, and then I was able to tuck in the rest of the greens. I also added a sentiment strip from Simon Says Stamp, and this has a really great message that's a 2-liner, and it gives me plenty of room on each of the sides to trim that off after I've placed it onto the tag. So to put this down, I'm using Simon Says Stamp Craft Tacky Glue once again for a nice permanent hold, and then I can center this onto the tag at the height level that I want. And to finish off my tag, I'm adding in some Tim Holtz silver and gold droplets in random areas for a little bit of shine. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on using the Tim Holtz Modern Festive dies from Sizzix to create a tag with a pocket that holds a gift card for the holidays. Be sure to check the description box below for all my supplies, also 2 other tags that I've made as pockets, plus the link to our blog post for more information. And as always, thanks so much for watching.
Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.